See what's so scary about this game. They're not even that scary. Probably has like a way to see me. I swear, they did not open that door. They did not open that door. What the? Bro. This thing is smart. Yeah. Oh, come on. You're serious, right? What do you want? Brother's just standing here. Jesus Christ! Jeez, oh my God, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Jesus Christ! I just got jump scared by a full balloon, bro. This isn't Blue Louie, bro. Calm down. Jesus Christ. I just got jump scared. Freaking balloon SpongeBob came open in the closet, and then I start messing with it, and then it jump scares me. Gives me a freaking Sonic EXE death scream. Like, bro, calm down. What you screaming at me for? You have beef with me, my guy? My screen just turned... I'm speechless. How can I get scared over one... Okay, second of all, did my character have an anxiety attack or something? Did you see the way how my screen turned orange? Well, not orange, however, whatever it is that I don't know what that color is. I hear whispers. I'm scared. No, I am scared. No, for real. I don't know if he's... Dude, whoever made the scheme, congratulations, you made it scarier. If he opens closets and can he open cabinets? You're stuck. Okay, he can open closets. So can you open this time? I'm scared. I don't even know if he can open this. Yeah, he's not opening. Is he? brother is flying around when I push him. I don't think he's able to open this. Besides, he's not even trying. What if I push him in there? Does that help? Let me help. No! Don't go that way. No, back in there. Oh my god, go back in there. Okay. Dude. I think bro needs serious help. I'm just scared. You gonna do that again? I don't think you would. I'm just scared. Dude, jump scare. He's not gonna do it again. Bro is just twirling around. Bro, you good? Okay, if I don't push you, does that help? You are one. Go open 2 doors. That's hilarious. I could just keep on pushing. Bro is just twirling around. I got stuck on that thing. Whatever type of balloon you are, you know how to open doors, don't you? I think that's I'm not trying to jump scare. Because if he does it again, unless he wants to, you are not. I'm just being prepared for the jump scare. These heartbeats are just worse. I need to push you outside the door. Just go outside the door. No, outside the door. Wait, can his eyes glow? I would not be surprised if his eyes glow. Never again.